trying to get Mama.
Eat what you got first, Bub.
Look. Look at
Is that good, Zion?
Okay.
Hey. He giggles like a little goat.
Yeah.
He does.
Yeah.
More.
Sign more.
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 You got a beard?
Why, do they have deaf children at that daycare?
And my
No.
mom taught him that.
Yeah. Sherry.
Hey.
Hey.
This morning he had his binky in and went just like that. And he was hungry.
More? No?
Bob.
Time to shave.
Feel like a little child.
What's the matter, baby? Look at him look like his mom. Right there.
Oh, goodness.
Cool whipped out. Put a finger up.
Go over there and get some, sis. Go over there. Go over there and...
We'll get you some.
Hey, hey, hey. God. You are so loud.
Your turn.
I don't like this stuff.
Here it comes. More? No. More? Okay, one more. Here we go.
One for the road.
That's it.
Oh.
Oh.
Get it. You silly.
Hey, Kay.
Hey, Kay.
Hi.
Is that good?
What you got?
Let her out.
Well, let's.
He's gonna be eating my shaving cream
Okay.
now.
Oh gosh, make sure you put that out too.
He was watching me shave the other morning.
Oh, no, yes. Okay, now I know what's good for your birthday next year.
Can Cool Whip.
Yeah, you get a Cool Whip. Or Christmas. Christmas is coming up.
Yeah.
How old are you, Zion? How old are you? Are you 1? Are you 1?
Zion.
Hungry, babe?
1.